Alright, so it has been a minute since I made some trade breakdown videos. We've been hitting a lot of trades in VIP, but I low-key have just forgot to be making these videos, so I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna be making a whole series of them right now, going over trades that I've taken over the past week or so, because there's been a lot. So we're gonna start with this UJ trade we took last Tuesday. This was a plus 5.1 RR gain, so across all my firm accounts, I could take UJ on all my firms. So this was upwards of 20k profit for me. This was shortly after I implemented the new TP strat. So everyone at VIP has been seeing that the new TP strat has been absolutely just smashing. It's been great. And this was shortly after I implemented it. I took this live in the voice call, I think in New York session. So I don't think I sent a signal for it because if we're taking them live in the voice in the live trading calls, then we don't usually send signals. We just take them in the calls. So there was no signal for this one, but we did take it live in front of everyone. So I'll just go over this real quick. Starting from the high time frame, this is a 30-second trade as well. I think this will be the first breakdown doing a 30-second entry. That is pretty much all I trade now is on the 30-second. I don't really do the 1 minute that much anymore. 30-second is just gives way more setup, so it's better for the live streams and everything like that. So yeah, so all the time frames are gonna be a bit different if you're used to the 1 minute time frames, but also if you're in VIP, you should know all the time frames because it is part of my course. I added a 30-second video. So starting on the 2 hour and 4 hour here, we're both bullish on UJ. 30-minute was bullish model as well here. We just went through a little reaccumulation there. And the zone I grabbed for this trade was an 8-minute fractal zone. So going on to the 8-minute, we had a fractal break right there. Taps the zone. We had our triple M tap it. So that was our initial validation. Well, I can't draw a line apparently. Okay, there we go. So that was our validation. The low actually stayed down here the whole time. And on the 30-second, we were watching for an entry somewhere in there. So we ended up getting it. We had on the 30-second, we had a stage 1 form back here. I think there was some news here at 8:30. We had a stage 1, and then we broke down 2 times into stage 1 reaccumulation. Then we actually took a fractal entry. So there's a first fractal break. We get the pullback, and I buy swap the second fractal break right there. MA's also looked really good here. Price was tapping down into the 200 as support level. So I was really fine with taking this fractal entry. Yeah, and then so according to the ATR rule, we can just quickly go check what the ATR was. But all the trade breakdowns from this point forward are going to be using the ATR method for taking profit, no more trailing. So yeah, the ATR was 0.022 there. So 0.022 times 12 was 0.0264, which is right up here. So that was about 5.18 RR, I think it was. So literally just no partials, no trailing, no nothing, just full TP right at 5.18. So that ended up getting smashed. It actually ended up running like 10 RR, I think. It hit 10 RR at the top, but we have all the rules and we take profit at 5.1. That's still a massive win. So yeah, GG to everyone that took this in the live with us. And yeah, I'm going to be making a bunch more of these videos right now, actually going over all the trades we've been taking recently. And I'll be making breakdowns for every trade in the future as well. So stay tuned in this channel.